It's that incredible shit.
Talk to him.
There's too many beautiful ladies in this house tonight, Philly.
Hey!
I think we need to hit them off something proper, son.
Okay. Woo!
They call me Diddy.
DJ Felly Foul.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Check this out. Listen to me. Listen. It's tricky, I'm picky, baby, but I just spotted you doing your thing. G-string, shoestring, point of view. Hey, lend me your body, you got me in a zone. Bet $1.5 million cash, I can make you explode. You don't wanna brave the cold, you wanna date the cones. I can take you on outer limits away from home. Where your bills Mommy wildin' for show in the middle of the club doing a rodeo show. The whole scene steamy, wet, dreamy, invisible sex, clean me. Incredible sex, you need me. You need me, please me, baby. I may behave a little crazy, but in the way that every day you please me.
Shorty drop it to the ground like she ain't got manners. Too much booty for one man to handle. When all I need is a one-night scandal. And I'ma get fucking hit. Damn, little mama, know you fit my standards. You're the type to make me grip that handle. Lick shots in the air, bustin' that random. Why you make it clap, 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 clap?
You gotta shake that thing, shake that thing.
Why you make it clap, 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 clap?
Okay.
Shake that thing, shake that thing.
She can make it clap like a standing ovation. Spin like my record at the radio station. Feel the sensation, I'll put it right there. They be like, Luda, I be like, yeah, you like it like that, don't you, baby? The flow's insane and the stroke is crazy. I stroke so good like Tiger Woods. Then I, wow, like a Tiger Woods. My livelihood is not Hollywood. I'm still Southside Atlanta, that's a livelihood. A circus, big top like Ringling Brothers. If you wanna learn something, bring your mother. Sit back and observe, invite your friends. We can mix it all up like juice and gin. Felly on the celly with a couple of twins. Cause tonight, damn right, we gon' do it again. Hey!
Shorty drop it